When it comes to selecting the perfect frying pan for your everyday cooking needs, it's essential to have a tool that combines convenience, durability, and health-conscious features. Enter this Michelangelo 8-inch nonstick frying pan with lid. This compact, stylish copper frying pan is packed with features that make it an essential addition to any kitchen. Whether you're cooking a quick fried egg, sautéing vegetables, or preparing a delicate omelette, this pan promises a performance that will impress both novice and experienced cooks alike. Key features. This pan boasts a ceramic titanium interior, making it ultra non-stick, scratch-resistant, and highly durable. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, the Michelangelo 8-inch frying pan guarantees easy food release, meaning your food slides right off the surface with minimal oil or butter. For health-conscious cooks, this means you can prepare meals with fewer fats and calories, all while maintaining the natural flavors of your ingredients. The pan's non-toxic coating is PFOA-free, cadmium-free, and lead-free, ensuring that no harmful chemicals are leaching into your food. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or preparing a delicate dinner, you can cook with peace of mind, knowing that your cookware is safe and health-conscious. The professional-grade aluminum alloy construction ensures even heat distribution across the surface. No more worrying about hot spots or uneven cooking. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or frying, food cooks evenly and quickly, locking in the nutrients and flavor without the hassle. The pan is equipped with a long stainless steel handle that stays cool to the touch during cooking, offering a secure and comfortable grip. The handle is also designed for easy maneuverability, so you can move the pan with precision as you sauté or flip foods. Plus, the handle's high heat resistance makes it oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for searing fillets or finishing off a dish in the oven. The Michelangelo 8-inch frying pan comes with a heat-resistant glass lid that allows you to easily monitor your food without losing heat. The tight-fitting lid helps seal in flavors, nutrients, and moisture for a healthier, more flavorful dish. The lid also prevents splattering, keeping your stovetop clean and free from messes. Why this pan is perfect for everyday cooking. If you're looking for a small frying pan that's perfect for single servings or quick meals, the Michelangelo 8-inch frying pan with lid is the perfect solution. This small frying pan is ideal for cooking one fried egg or scrambled eggs. It's the perfect size for breakfast. Making omelettes, get that perfect golden omelette every time with the non-stick surface. Searing small cuts of meat or fillets, perfect for cooking a single portion of steak or chicken. Sautéing vegetables for side dishes, the even heating ensures your veggies cook just right without burning. Benefits of using the Michelangelo 8-inch frying pan. 1. Healthier cooking. The ultra non-stick surface allows cooking with minimal oil or butter, promoting a low-fat diet. 2. Durable and scratch-resistant. The ceramic titanium coating resists peeling and flaking, even with metal utensils. 3. Easy cleanup. Its non-stick surface ensures quick cleaning with just a rinse or wipe. 4. Even heat distribution. Provides uniform cooking for precise results. Who will benefit most from the Michelangelo 8-inch frying pan? This pan is designed for anyone looking for convenience, durability, and a healthier cooking experience. The Michelangelo 8-inch frying pan with lid is perfect for busy individuals who need a quick and easy tool for preparing healthy meals in minimal time, small households, or those living alone who need a compact frying pan for 1 or 2 servings. Health-conscious cooks who want to minimize oil and butter in their daily cooking. Apartment dwellers or anyone with limited kitchen space who wants a versatile frying pan that does it all. Beginners or experienced cooks who need a reliable, easy-to-use frying pan that delivers excellent results every time. Why you should buy the Michelangelo 8-inch frying pan? The Michelangelo 8-inch frying pan with lid is an all-in-one cooking tool that meets a variety of needs in the kitchen. Its non-stick surface, scratch resistance, quick heating capabilities, and ergonomic handle make it the perfect choice for health-conscious cooks and busy individuals alike. Whether you're looking for a small pan for personal meals or a reliable tool for everyday cooking, this pan delivers in both functionality and style. If you're tired of unreliable cookware or want a healthier way to cook, the Michelangelo 8-inch frying pan with lid is the solution you've been waiting for. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.